Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my makeup on a daily basis, but I want to start off with telling you guys a couple things. So the first thing is that I don't use concealer on a daily basis, so don't expect it to show up in the video. And another thing is that everything is going to be linked down below. Most of these products are drugstore, so they're going to be really quick and easy to find for you guys. So let's jump into the video. Okay, so let's begin. I want to mention first that I already put on my moisturizer, and if you guys watched my video on skincare routine, it's the same one. It's by No. 7 Beautiful Skin Day Cream in Normal to Oily. And I'm going to put some primer on. This is the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. This is in the shade 100. This is just the Blur and Smooth. I have my mirror right here, so if I look down or to the side, that's why. So after primer, the next thing I use is obviously foundation. This is L'Oreal's Infallible in Pro Matte. This is in the shade 103, and I like to use like a glass palette so that I can easily put it on and put as much as I need and not overdo it, and I can kind of build up the coverage as I go. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on here and then I just apply. Now what I use after that is the Rimmel Stay Matte. This is just the long-lasting press powder. This is in the shade 104 Sandstorm. So I'm just going to use my Nude by Nature powder brush. I'm not really sure if you can find this here. I know I bought mine in Australia. I've never really seen this brand here, but I'll try to link it below. And I just like to pat this onto my face. Next I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. As you can see, I've had mine for quite a while. I am going to be mixing all three of the colors together and kind of going in a 3 motion, but I like to start off with my cheeks first and then I go into the 3. This I didn't mention is the Luxie Lush Large Angled Brush in 504. And then I'm just going to use a little bit to contour the nose a bit. I know I have a scratch mark on my nose, and I've been asked why I don't conceal it with concealer so you can't see it. But you can still see it, so might as well just have it out in the open. Then I like to go in with these 2 shades in the palette. The last one here is a highlighter, so for reference if you have it. These are just like for the under eye. Since I don't put any concealer, I still like to brighten. So I feel like this one does the trick. And then a little bit next to my nose. I like to go in with the Real Techniques blush brush, and this is by LA Girls. This is the pinky set. It has a bronzer, 2 blushes, and a highlighter, but this bronzer is kind of pink, so I like to mix the bronzer with this like really dark pink, and I just use that as my blush. And I like to put a little bit on the tip of my nose. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyebrows. I'm just going to brush up the brows. And I already have dark brows, so I don't really go in really dark with this. This is in the shade Natural Dark Brown. See? Quick and easy. Next I'm going to go in with the mascara. So I'm going to use the Diorshow Maximizer 3D Base Mascara. So this is a lash primer. And I just like to I'm going to show you guys. I use 3 mascaras on a daily basis. I use 2 for the top and 1 for the bottom. And to make them unclump, I have a little trick that I'm going to share with you guys. So first I start off with the CoverGirl Plumpify in Blast Pro. And this one only goes on the top. Then I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Next, what I like to do is I like to grab these little individual wands that aren't attached to anything. I actually use this to declump my eyelashes. So because this is clean and it has no product on it, it's really easy to just go in and kind of separate them. Then I go in with this Tarte mascara, and I love this one because it is so little. So I like to use this for the lower lash line because it doesn't touch my under eye, because with the other bigger ones, like, so for example, this is huge, and if I put it in the lower lash line, I'm gonna mess everything up because that's just how I am. But see, this one is so skinny that it's just really easy to apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. And then I just apply it on the very tips of the upper lash line. Like that. Last but not least, I like to put a little bit of highlight. And I actually use this eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I use this one right here, which is called In Light, I believe. So this is In Light and Beam, and I kind of mix them together, and that's what I use as highlight. So lately for my lips, I've just been doing Vaseline or chapstick because it's kind of cold here in Gainesville. But other than that, I would go in with the... And lastly, for lips, I like to go in with these two. So this is the Dior Maximizer Collagen Active, and then this is Too Faced. This is from the Creme collection, and this is in the shade Juicy Melons. So first I'm gonna go on and put some Juicy Melons, and I just tap it on to get like a pink, a natural pink, but not like this in your face every day, hello, go to class. So tapping it on, and then with the lip maximizer, this is it. This is my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, then please don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you want to see any more videos like this, and to comment below if there's anything else that you might want to see, and I'll be happy to do it for you guys. I'll see you guys next week.